How to block someone on Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can block someone on Twitch. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of Twitch, twitch.tv or also twitch.com. Then press enter to search it. Make sure you have logged into your account. You will reach to this interface after logging in. Here at the right side, you will see various icons. Click on this messaging icon and at the search bar type the name of the person you want to block. Click on their profile to reach the chat page. Here click on got it. And now to block it, click on the settings icon at the top. Then there you will see block option. Click on block. It says blocking this person will prevent them from sending you the whispers and hosting the live. Also, it prevents them from purchasing for other users in your channel. If you are okay with that, click on this block option. Now this person will get blocked from your list. When you search it, you won't find the person now. So in this way, you can block someone on Twitch. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.